That's me, competing in one of the most dangerous sports of my entire life. But first, how did we get here?
You need to build a bumper that comes out with 3-inch steel. It needs to come out into a triangle so that we have a good hitting point.
Yeah. More on the bumper later. Back to the montage.
Bro, we're literally building a custom exhaust right now.
This is Cody, so when you see another orange truck, just know he's driving it.
Alrighty, here's just a little progress update. Welded a front bumper on there, batteries in there, included the switch for the fuel pump. Still have to do is cut that foam apart and put it alongside that door. It is an illegal move. You can't like purposefully bash somebody from the driver's side. But just in case, you need to have that foam there. Babe, what do you think about me going in the Derby?
Scary. I don't even know how to drive.
It's coming together quite nicely. This isn't just something anybody will volunteer themselves to do. Honestly, I'm not too scared. Hopefully everything goes okay. But I've never done this before. So yeah, wish me the best.
We felt good, posted it on social media, and someone said this. It was literally the night before the Derby, so we were all out pretty late, and some of us were struggling.
Derby, no.
Are you awake?
No, I want to
Are you
pass
sure?
the f*** out.
What about now?
Yeah!
Are you awake now?
Control your breathing.
I'm awake.
You're awake now, huh? Just 'cause I feel like a dickhead? Yeah.
We had a little bit of work to still do to make sure this bumper was considered legal. Then we went to bed, ready for the next day. And although we didn't win Best of Show, we did get this finalist plaque. Now it was finally time to get banged up. Pause. If you're liking the video so far, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Maybe a comment too. It really helps our small channel. Thank you. Now let's continue on with the video. Before the actual Demolition Derby, we had to do figure 8 races, which looks something like this. And now, it was my turn.
Reverse Oreo Show on YouTube.
And now, the race was officially starting. And after all that, I was feeling a little bit rattled because I haven't even been in a car crash before. But the craziest thing was yet to happen.
It didn't take long for one to flip over on its side. The whole event stopped and the fire department came in to assist. After a couple attempts, they flipped the truck upright.
And after all that, we were back to racing. That hit caused my foot to slip off the clutch, killing the vehicle. After I finally got it started, the race was basically over, putting me near last place. I don't know why this camera was recording so dark, but I was running over my own bumper due to the damage, so we had to fix that. Now we had to do some basic repairs to the vehicle, so it'll be good to go for the Derby. Not 100%. And now, it was finally time for the main event. Looking back at it, I think the battery got knocked loose, so I was struggling to get it started again, and I remembered back to the driver's meeting. They said that if the vehicle won't start, to pull the flag so people won't hit you. So that's what I did. But what's stupid is I got my hardest hit after pulling the flag. I do feel like I pulled my flag prematurely, as it was my first experience, but at least on the bright side, I was one of the only ones to be able to drive my car off the field. So, the best we can do is do better for next time. Huge thank you to everyone who helped out on making this possible. Now, it's time to rebuild for next year. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and